Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll show you guys how can you easily change your Facebook name. So follow up with me till the very end and let's jump right into it. First, let's get something out of the way. Open your Play Store or App Store. We need to make sure we have the Facebook app updated, or at least we have a newer version for everything to run smoothly. After that, quit the store and then of course open the Facebook app. Obviously you will have to be logged into your account, so once you do that we need to go and open settings basically. So tap on the three lines in the top right corner, and then from here in the bottom you should find something that says settings and privacy. First you need to go ahead and tap on it to extend the little list. Right here you find it says settings right under settings and privacy. Go ahead and tap on it to open settings. Once you open it, you need to go ahead and open your account center, so tap on account center in the top right here. Within Account Center, we need to tap on Profiles and Personal Details. It should be in the top. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. And here again, tap on your name or your account in the top. From here on, it's gonna be very easy and direct. All you need to do is tap on Name. That should be in the first right here. And then here you go, guys. You can change your name right here in the screen. Change your first name if you want, add a middle name if you don't have one, or change it to if you have added one previously. And you can change your family name too. Now, once you change those, you can tap on review changes and continue from the bottom, or you can even change other names. If you want to do that, you can tap on manage other names, which should be the latest or the last option in the screen. You'll be taken to an external window just like that. You can tap first on nicknames, name type, nicknames, go ahead and tap on nicknames. So from here you can change your nickname, maiden name, alternative spelling, married name, or any other name you want basically on that list. Once you're done, you can tap on save as well from here, and that's basically how can you change your name on Facebook. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you so much for watching.